Okay, hi you guys. It's Sally and Susie, of course. At it again. This is She Ratchet Anthem. She Ratchet. Follow us on Twitter at Leafy Poo. LEESSY Poo. Well, follow me on Twitter at Susiana. That's SUSSIE_ANN. Alright, we're finna get started. Okay. She's Ratchet.
Emmanuel and Hudson. Follow me on Twitter at _coach and my little brother at feeling myself. Alright now. Today, this video is finna talk. I'm finna tell y'all about how Ratchet girl. So let me speak.
Who let her at the house like that? She is doing the most. OMG, what do she have on?
Cause she ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Give me the phone. About to take this heifer picture.
Cause she ratchet.
Got it. About to put this girl on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm 15.
She ratchet.
Boys, I know with them shoes on.
Because you ratchet.
Oh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Oh, she ratchet.
I can't stand her. Oh, she's too fat.
Cause she ratchet.
Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr. A baby girl. And it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club. In the middle of the floor. No shoes. Where's up? Had to look cute today. I bought a jean fur boot today. Had to keep it looking good because my baby did it just made Bill hit the kid shoes today. New baby, need some new shoes today. I put a check in Tuesday, got the checks yesterday. Girl, did you get the booty?
You know it.
Gon' beef it up. Move trap. It's a 15th. I got my full stamp. Got a brand new picture. Brand new check. Paid $95 for the speed plus tax. Boom. Anything over let me slap my thumb. No real hair, just can't along. Thinking that you better than I am. What did you think wrong? Wherever she'll lie, my number. Boy, die. Hold on, girl. Hey girl, you look cute today. Come on, let me see your swing. Oh, alright. Bye. OMG, what does she got on?
Cause she ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm
But
gonna take this cap up.
Cause she ratchet.
Got it. About to put this girl on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See you ratchet.
Boy, back up with them shoes on.
You ratchet.
Oh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, she's so fat. My name is Emanuela, but my girlfriends call me Kari. Yes, I am the baddest. You can't have this boo-boo, sorry. Cause 2 cents is my future daddy.
Maury.
Got my jersey dress on. Jersey still match my press on.
Alright.
We don't like them red bones. New outfit look good. Follow me on Facebook. I'm with Team Flip Phone.
What else?
Team Chris Brown. If she don't shut it up, then the team shut it
I mean,
down.
what you wanna
I'm
do?
with Team Bad Girl. Team with your man.
Alright.
Then the team he paying. What you saying? I mean, he might as well spend it all on me.
Alright.
Alright.
Get
it. Cause she ratchet.
Cause she ratchet. Cause she ratchet.
She's so ratchet. Oh my G, what do she got on?
Cause she ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Give me the phone. About to take this heifer picture.
Cause she ratchet.
Got it. About to put this girl on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
Cause she ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
Cause she ratchet.
Oh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Cause she ratchet.
I can't stand her. Oh, she's too fat.
Cause she ratchet.
Ooh, yeah. Girl, leprosy. What you gonna do with your leprosy?
Stop. Your hair is a jungle. Ain't
What
it what
you gonna put it? Ooh, yeah. Boy, bye. Okay, so we messed up big time. Don't talk about us. Bye.